Right by it on second. Rayo ipanagyapan ng third. Lumalaban. Putol na ang clutch. Wala na kay clutch. Bitay na. Wala nang clutch si Rayo. Nagbitay ng clutch si Rayo. So Pro Open class final. Pro Open class final. So naaga punta diri sa Antipas North Cotabato. So managan dia Kimboy Pineda, Rayo Ipanag, CJ Maninggo, Ray Bait It, Doy Bandigan, Dodong Bandigan, Amboy Aparcon. Munay managan. Ay, wala si Kimboy, GC na lang. Munay managan sa ato ang Pro Open class. Pro Open class. So wala na si Kimboy, GC na lang. 15 laps of racing. Suara gibuya na. Allah. Up. Ayan, Maninggo Bait It. Rayo on third, Doy Bandigan. Ra. Rayo Ipanag on third. Doy Bandigan, ikaw pat, Dodong Bandigan. Suara. Wow, wow, wow. Hop. Wow, wow, wow. Maninggo versus Ray. Rayo versus JC Pineda, Andoy Bandigan. Araw. Baby Lion on the lead, Gabon, Ray Bait It. Rayo Ipanag on third, JC Pineda, Andoy Bandigan. Araw. Wow. Yan, Baby Lion, CJ Maninggo, Ray Bait It, Rayo Ipanag. Go, go! JC, Doy, Dodong, and Ambo. Pro Open class final, Pro Open. Fifteen laps. So, CJ Maninggo gyapon. Ray Bait It. Rayo on third, JC Pineda. Wow, wow, wow. Grabe. Yan, Rayo Ipanag, pinakabata ang anyapel sa Pro Open. 15 anyos pa. Press the press. Wow. Go, go, go! So Baby Lion, Japan on the lead. Ray Bait It on second. Araw. Rayo Ipanag on third. Boylo. Wow, wow, wow. Tara. Yan, Baby Lion. Ray Bait It on second. Wow. Bandigan. Ay nambo ya parkon. Wow. Ayun no. Baby Lion nangunguna pa rin. Try bite it on second. Sa GC Pineda kaupat ikatulo rayo gyapon. Walang pagbabago. Wow. Estel Baby Lion, walang pagbabago. Try bite it on second. Rayo Ipana on third. Walang pagbabago. Yan, Estel Baby Lion. Claro. Yan. Wow. Walang pagbabago, malayong-malayo pa tayo guys. Malayong-malayo pa tayo. Estel Baby Lion. Short. Uy, Bandigan, Dudong Bandigan. Estel Baby Lion, relax na relax. Try bite it. Ayan. Rayo Ipana on third. Walang pagbabago. So GC Pineda on fourth. Try bite it on second. Rayo Ipana gyapon ang third, lumalaban. Putol na ang clutch. Wala na kay clutch, bitay na. Wala nang clutch si Rayo, nagbitay ng clutch si Rayo. Last 3 laps. GC Pineda ikaw pat. Laban lang Prox. Balag putol ang clutch. naputol ang clutch ni Rayo. Ayan, Baby Lion Japon. Last 3 laps. Baby Lion Japon on the lead. Rai by 8 on second. Yan. Laban bahalag putol ang clutch Brooks. Ay lang kapalong yun. Ay lang kapalong yun. Ay white flag na, white flag. White flag, white flag, white flag, white flag. Last lap na lang, last lap. CJ. Yan. White flag, last lap. Rai by 8 on second. Lumalaban Japon, Rayo ipanag, bisag putol ang clutch.
Second Rai by 8, then third Rayo ipanag. Laro na. Then fourth, susunod na Dodo Bandigan.
Wala na, pilay na ang clutch. Last na lang Toyo Crocs. Last na lang Toyo Crocs. Ayan, Baby Lion. Sponsored by Koji-san. Oh, private it. Hey!
Okay, mo na kasantang nga nahitabo may gala sa itong kaganapan karong hapuna. Champion.
Wala na, kabitay ng clutch oh.
Second, Rai by 8.
Lahutay pang white clutch. Back to back champion, CG Maningo.
Salamat kay sir sa pagbisita. Okay, so humanang boxing may gala.
Rai by 8 on second.
Preparing for the awarding na. Prepare for the awarding of finish line.
Rayo ipanag on third. Ara. Putol lang clutch bay. Grabe, umasag yapon, walay clutch.
Ang Bosyong, congratulations Bosyong, congrats. May kumparing ko.